Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So I'm gonna show you how to make a smooth text reveal. So first, gonna go to your toolbox, click on text, then type the text you want. I'm gonna with reveal and align it in the middle. Now create a mask, the rectangle tool, and make it mask like this. So now click on animate and position, change your value like this, and click on clock and position, move a few frames forward and put the values again at 0. So you're gonna see this is your animation. It's not so smooth, so now we're gonna press F9, select both keyframes and press F9, change your graph editor and select both keyframes and make your graph like this. So now you're gonna see your animation is much smoother. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.